In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover hidden Google Calendar features that can enhance your productivity and streamline your scheduling process. Google Calendar is a powerful tool, but many people aren't aware of some of the hidden features that can make a big difference in how you manage your time. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about speedy meetings. This feature is incredibly handy for those back-to-back meetings. To enable it, head to the settings by clicking on the gear icon and then navigate to event settings and turn on speedy meetings. This automatically shortens the 30-minute meetings to 25 minutes and the 60-minute ones to 50 minutes. By doing so, you create a buffer, allowing you some breathing room between meetings to clear your thoughts or take a quick break. Next up, we have the Find a Time feature designed for teams. When you're creating an event, click Find a Time right next to suggested times. This feature displays everyone's availability side by side, helping you avoid the endless back and forth of scheduling meetings. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure everyone can attend without the hassle. Now, let's talk about focus time. If you're looking to block off distraction-free work periods, this is the feature for you. When creating an event, simply select focus time. It not only helps you carve out dedicated work time, but also automatically declines invites during those periods. This way, you're less likely to be interrupted by meetings during your focus blocks. Moving on to tasks and reminders, they're seamlessly integrated into Google Calendar. On the right-hand panel, open Google Tasks. You can add tasks that will appear on your calendar with due dates. This integration is fantastic for managing both your events and personal to-dos in one place. Another great feature is the display of multiple time zones. If you work across different countries, this can be a lifesaver. In Settings, go to Time Zone and enable Display Secondary Time Zone. Your calendar will now show two time zones side by side, which is super useful when scheduling international meetings. Custom event colors allow you to assign specific colors to different events or entire calendars. A pro tip is to use colors according to the type of activity, like red for urgent tasks, green for personal engagements, and blue for team meetings. This visually organizes your schedule in a meaningful and efficient way. Additionally, Google Calendar offers keyboard shortcuts that can speed up your navigation. Press question mark inside Google Calendar to see a list of shortcuts. For instance, pressing C creates an event, T takes you to today, and D, W, or M switches between the day, week, or month view. If you're interested in visual flexibility, Google Calendar allows you to view different layouts. Beyond the usual day, week, or month, you can switch to a year view or even set a custom view like 2 weeks at a time by going to Settings and selecting View Options. For those of you who might need to share your calendar, you can even embed your Google Calendar into a website, which is great for businesses, teachers, or teams. Just go to Settings, choose Settings for My Calendars, and then Integrate Calendar. Google Workspace users have the benefit of creating a public booking page with the appointment